Yes? Okay, autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. Y'all said yes. Yeah, plug it in. Autonomous, 60X scores. Red gets the autonomous. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is 1 versus 4. 1 already has 1 win. Looking to advance to become their first finalist. 285Z. Trying to put that one in the 20. Their partner X puts the 2587X puts it in the 10. But 60X, mobile base and 4 cones going into the 20. 65 seconds left to go in this match. (285Z) seems to be stationary. A third mobile goal for red going in. Now 60X has 4 cones on their last mobile goal. And there's the 5th one with 29 seconds left to go. There's number 6. Gonna go for 7. With 16 seconds to go. Here comes number 8. High stack so far for the day. 8. If you can drop them all in place without spilling with 3, 2, 1.